Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. So take your time to learn my strategy, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets you'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. The movement of the market has not been that smooth. Okay, it started an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it's been going up, more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's been more of an uptrend. So this is still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This had been majorly on downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course we got so many sell signals right from there, so it kept on selling and selling. It is at this support zone. If it's unable to break out from this particular support zone, then it will go back into an uptrend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, had a major pullback, and of course went back up again, and it broke out above it, got to this region, had another pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely to keep on buying. If it does not, it's coming back on downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so guys, take note of that. This is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. We're still on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to analyze right here. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course it has been buying since then. Got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, so it started selling right from there. So at the moment this is selling right now. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75, and of course this actually went on downtrend from here, got to this region, but this time around it picked up an uptrend from there, got to the same resistance zone, was unable to break out from there at the beginning at first. Okay, so it pulled back a bit, played around there for a while, but went back up to break out above this resistance zone. It has gotten to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it had a pullback. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on sell trend. Okay, but for now this is still buying. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.